Clothes. Clothes? Clothes for baby. Clothes for your baby? Yeah. And this is my baby, right here. I'm holding on to it. May, you could... May, I could take a turn holding your baby. You can have a turn holding this. Oh, it's a little bit heavy, so I just want you to do this, alright? But don't worry, I'm strong. Strong enough for that. Hey, Dave. And I put this away. I can't do this one's for you. Little. No. It's little enough. I can't go over. Can I have this? This is too big. No, this is too big. I know it. No, but I'm gonna carry your baby though. It's alright. Baby's alright with me. But he's alright with me too. He's alright with me too, isn't he? It's not a he. He? Yeah, it's not a he. She? She. She's alright with me, isn't she? No, she's not. She wants me. She likes me better, I bet. And I'll hold the clothes. I'll hold the baby. The clothes for your baby. Alright. Cute! No! Baby, you have to poop. Here, now you can carry these. No. Here, but don't worry, it's only not. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. Maybe. No, look at it. Look at that baby. So, baby. Here you go. There you go. That's her dress. That's your dress? No, that's her dress. Her dress? I'll put it in the bag. Hi.